Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering a continuous series of yearly values. This is essential because the moving average smooths trends over time. Enter year and value into two columns, sorted oldest to newest. Once done, add two helper columns labeled 5 are sum and 5 are average. You compute the first 5-year sum from years 1-5, then divide by 5 to get the first average. This immediate step gets you past setup and into calculation, so start adding numbers now. You continue by turning sums into a rolling process. This is how the moving average updates without resumming everything. For the second window, subtract the year 1 value from the first 5 or sum, then add year 6 value, that gives the new 5 or sum. Repeat, subtract the outgoing year, add the incoming year, then divide by 5 to produce each subsequent average. Use spreadsheet formulas for drag fill, SUM for the first window, then a simple arithmetic formula. You finish by validating and presenting results so they are trustworthy. Create a line chart of year versus 5 or average to see the smooth trend. This quickly reveals anomalies. Make sure the first 4 years show n/a or a clear note because they don't have full 5-year windows, or compute partial averages if that's required. If numbers look wrong, check that your formulas use absolute cell references correctly and that years are strictly chronological. That single mistake is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.